This is your Peninsula Energy Report for Thursday, April 13th, 2017. Oil prices are trekking higher ahead of the holiday weekend. May WTI is higher by 0.2% at $53.23 after a session high of $53.33 and a low of $52.82. Now, U.S. inventory figures and the International Energy Agency report are in the spotlight today. Now, yesterday's EIA figures showed a draw in inventories of 2.17 million barrels for the week ended April 7th, and this does come on the heels of a build of 1.57 million in the previous week. Meanwhile, API figures showed a draw of 1.3 million barrels in the latest week. Now, separately, the IEA lowered its forecast for 2017 global oil demand growth to 1.3 million barrels per day in its latest monthly report. The agency says growth is expected to slow this year for the second year in a row, and it says that production here in the U.S. rose 9 million barrels per day last month. Now, the latest OPEC data showed members had cut March output beyond what had been agreed upon. In its latest monthly report, OPEC also cut its estimate of global inventories. Keep in mind that OPEC meets on May 25th to consider whether or not to extend the supply cut beyond June. Now, looking at precious metals, they are shining on this Thursday. Spot gold rallied to a fresh 5-month high after the dollar sank on Trump's comments. And in addition to geopolitical concerns over the Middle East as well as North Korea, Trump did say that the strength in the U.S. currency would eventually hurt the economy. But after today's inflation figures, the dollar has turned higher. Now, spot gold futures are up by 0.8% in New York morning trade at $1288.80 an ounce. Meanwhile, silver prices are soaring 1.4%, trading at $18.56.